Maraming salamat po for your interest in joining our low carb and fasting masterclass. Meron po tayong dalawang klaseng masterclass, yung isa 14 days and yung isa 21 days. Yung 14 days po, na-divide po ito into 1 week low carb knowledge and yung the other week is about fasting. At kapag nagustuhan nyo po yung mga basic protocols dito and if you have ongoing diseases o meron ng mga iniinom na gamot, then we suggest for you to proceed sa ating 21 days. So, 7 days na lang po ang i-add dito and this is disease specific. Meron po tayong 12 diseases na sakop ng ating masterclass ngayon and these diseases are the ones we see na natutulungan talaga ng proper low carb nutrition and fasting. However, hindi natin ito basta-basta nakikita o nasi-share in public because dapat individual approach ito. Hindi ito basta-bastang sundin lang. Kailangan meron kayong adequate knowledge kung ano talaga yung nangyayari sa inyong katawan. So, yung mga sample ng mga sakit ay ang number 1, of course, diabetes. Number 2, hypertension or high blood pressure. Yung pangatlo po, obesity and yung mga nangangailangan ng weight loss. Pang-apat, yung ating fatty liver, triglyceridemia at yung mga sakit na related sa cholesterol. Pang-5 is our GERD, hyperacidity ulcer, yung merong mga gastritis. Number 6 would be our PCOS, yung mga para sa kababaihan. We have female fertility and also related to pregnancy, myoma, endometriosis, at marami pang iba. Number 7 would be inflammation, allergies, asthma, autoimmune disease, at marami pa pong related na sakit dito. 8th disease would be cancers and tumors. So, maraming natutubuan ng bukol sa kung saan-saan man. It could be benign or malignant. So, tutulungan namin kayo kung paano ito posibleng mai-address o di kaya kung hindi man ito ma-fully reverse, at least po, hindi na po ito mas lumaki pa. We will address this the proper way and of course, or as an adjunct, kumbaga, sa standard medical treatment like surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. Hindi po sila magkalaban ni low carb, but we go hand in hand with them para yung treatment protocol ay mas maging maganda depending on your own health goal. We have number 9, childhood obesity and insulin resistance, especially sa mga batang matataba na meron na pong umiitim sa batok and sa mga creases. So those are signs of insulin resistance called acanthosis nigricans. Number 10, related to kidney problems, yung mga may gout, stones, at yung mga nagda-dialysis na. 11 would be gallbladder problems. And 12, yung ating wellness and of course longevity. So yun po yung basic sa ating 21-day and 14-day masterclass. Ano naman yung mga taong walang sakit? Wala silang kahit anong iniinom na gamot or not diagnosed with any illness. Pwede pa silang mag-low carb? Pwede pa silang mag-fasting? O di kaya makakatulong ba yung masterclass sa kanila? If you find the videos that I post helpful, so much more na po sa ating masterclass because I designed it in such a way na yung learning process po ay mas maganda at hindi kayo mahihirapan. It will be even more sustainable nga kasi po yung learning po natin dito dahan-dahan. So this is what we call the 14-day low carb and fasting masterclass for optimum health and disease prevention. So dito po, matututunan natin kung ano yung proper low carb nutrition, kung paano malaman kung ang isang pagkain ay low carb kumbaga, at kung ano yung specific macronutrient na tama para sa inyo if you wish to lose weight, if you wish to gain weight, kung gusto nyo maging mabigat yung timbang ninyo, or if gusto nyo i-maintain lang yung inyong timbang. And of course, meron din tayong fasting. So, lahat ng uri ng fasting, kung ano yung kailangan preparations, intermittent and extended fasting, including kung ano yung mga warning signs na kailangan nating tandaan, and of course, the risk of doing fasting if it's not done the right way, at kung paano natin ito maiiwasan. The most important part of this is maximize natin yung benefits of low carb nutrition and fasting when it comes to healing and also for disease prevention. Para sa aking mga pasyente, alam nyo kung ano yung ating consultations, another 30 minutes or 1 hour. I know it is helpful and I'm so happy sa inyong progress at kung paano kayo napagaling nito. But sadly, right now, medyo limited na po yung ating time ngayon to do one-on-one consultations kasi po, priority natin ngayon na maparami yung ating matulungan in just the same amount of time. So that's why even if you know that 30 minutes or 1 hour time with me is something that is good for your knowledge, pero alam nyo, hindi yun sustainable. Kasi po, hindi po yan makukover yung lahat-lahat na kailangan nating malaman when it comes to doing low-carb nutrition and fasting for healing. That's why we have this masterclass. And of course, kasama niyo po ako every Saturday, 12 noon to 1 p.m. Basta okay lang yung schedule natin. We go live and entertain questions. So ano yung proseso sa pag-enroll sa ating masterclass? First, punta muna kayo sa page natin. So this is Dr. Josephine Grace Chua Rojo. Maraming post po dyan and nakatag dyan yung mga admins natin. Pwede po kayong mag-message sa kanila para magtanong kung ano yung detalye. And if you are now interested and decided to register with our masterclass, i-group namin kayo sa account ng aming main admin, which is Miss Angela Rojo. And after that, bibigyan kayo ng registration details and of course, completion ng ating enrollment. And pagkatapos nyan, hanapin nyo na po yung group na kung saan kayo sasali when it comes to our masterclass. Either yung 14 days o yung disease-specific na 21 days. For example, yung 14-day LCF masterclass, Optimum Health and Disease Prevention. And kung diretso naman kayo sa ating 21 days, nandun din, parang ganito rin siya. Importante dito is you look at the guides. So, nandyan po yung guides at sa guides po, nakalagay dyan yung mga topics per day. And then, nandun na rin po yung mga videos. From day 1, meron dyan hashtag day 1. For example, introduction to low carb and fasting, and then day 2, macronutrients, day 3, modern day foods na pwede nating ma-enjoy until day 14. And kapag naging okay kayo sa day 14 and you feel like you want to push through with the 21 day, then you can just add on, upgradable po. Pwede i-upgrade yung inyong registration ng 14-day into a 21-day. Yung maganda dito, nasa sa inyo yung time. Hindi nyo po kailangang mag-schedule kumbaga ng specific time. Lahat ng videos available na po for the 14-day and also for the 6 masterclass natin na 21-day disease, and you can watch them on demand. Depende kung kailan sa inyo, and also you are free to share this with your loved ones. Gusto namin kahit isang miyembro lang ng family ang maging part ng masterclass for you to be knowledgeable about low carb and fasting, and you are free to share this with your whole family. So, one account per family. At least ganun lang po. And if gusto niyo naman mag-proceed sa ating 21-day, example is yung fatty liver natin and cholesterol, hypertriglyceridemia masterclass. Ganun din po. And you already have there the guides and also the announcement. So, pwede nyo pong tingnan yan. And of course, every Saturday again, nagla-live po tayo. I can entertain all questions and queries regarding diseases na natakol natin, live diseases that are ongoing, and also kahit anong questions related to low carb and fasting. I hope to see you in one of our Saturdays for our live Q&A, and I wish you well. Consider this masterclass as your best gift to yourself. Kasi po, kung meron kayong mga mahal sa buhay, meron kayong mga charity, or kung ano man na pinaniniwalaan ninyong pinaka-importante para sa inyo, remember that you can only take care of those things that you love by first taking care of yourself. And doing this masterclass can enable you to maximize your health, maximize your life. And by doing so, hindi nyo alam, baka kayo rin po ang makakapagsalba o makakatulong sa mga taong minamahal ninyo. So, I wish to see you in our masterclass and help you learn low-carb nutrition and fasting the best, safest, and right way possible. Maraming salamat po. Remember to always stay low carb so that we all stay safe.